This is how to install DeepSeek in your computer, and you do not have to worry about the CCP or any other government spying on you because everything is locally hosted and you don't even require the internet to run DeepSeek once you install it. And Bogaball, it's your girl, Wauda Lore. So we'll start by going to the Ollama website. Just type download Ollama on your Google search bar. Then select the first option, which is download Ollama for Windows, because I'm using Windows. And depending on your operating system, you want to choose what's suitable for you if you're using Linux or iOS. But I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click download for Windows. So just be sure about your operating system for this. And we're going to wait for that to download. Once Ollama has finished downloading, we're going to install it. And then when it's done installing, we're going to go back to our Ollama website. And on the search bar, we're going to type DeepSeek, and you're going to get a bunch of options, and we're going to go with DeepSeek R1. So there are many versions of DeepSeek. 1.5 billion parameters, 7 billion parameters, 8 billion parameters. Depending on your RAM, you want to pick the most suitable one. But the sweet spot is 7 billion parameters. So I'm going to go with 7 billion parameters, especially if you have like an 8 GB RAM to 16 GB RAM. Go for 7 billion parameters. 8 billion might be a bit of a stretch. We're just going to copy this code, go to our Windows search bar, type CMD, select the command prompt, then paste this code, press enter, then let it run. And I ain't gonna lie to you guys, this process is gonna take a while. So go do something with your life. Meet the guy or girl of your dreams. Get married, have babies, watch them grow, watch them get married, watch them make the same mistakes that you did, watch them have babies, spend time with your grandbabies, then die. When you meet Jesus, tell him to send you back because you have died before completing your true purpose, which was making sure DeepSeek installed on your computer, in your computer. Potato, you know? I cracked myself up. Yep. I'm just messing with y'all, don't do that. It took 40 minutes max to finish installing on my computer, but depending on your RAM and the speed of your internet, it might take longer, it might take shorter.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Anyways, moving along swiftly, we're going to test if DeepSeek can communicate with us through our CMD. So this is just a test to see if it works. So now DeepSeek has finished installing, and you'll know by this prompt, send a message for help. To test if it works, I'm gonna type something like, hello. It has responded. It says, hello, how can I assist you today? That's good. Then we're gonna say something else like, please tell me about yourself. And it's gonna think and think for a while. It's gonna write a whole bunch of things, the thought process, and then finally it's gonna respond. So let's say you wanna talk with DeepSeek again. Maybe because you're falling in love with it. Because girl, I wouldn't blame you, because if I could build my man, I would build my man. Because damn, the market is rotten. Soko ni chafu, guys. Damn. Anyways, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back to the Ollama website and just paste the code that we copied from the Ollama website back to our command prompt, and we can talk to it anytime you want to talk to it. But let's face it, guys, this is not the best way to talk to AI. You need a user-friendly interface. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go back to our Google search and type anything LLM. We're gonna download for desktop. For Windows, depending on your operating system, again, whether it's an Mac OS or Linux, mine is Windows, so we're gonna go with Windows, and we're gonna download anything LLM, and we're gonna wait for it to finish installing because we have nothing better to do. But if you're watching me, I am all the entertainment you need right now. And I'm not just saying that because I'm awesome, but because you're awesome too. And awesome people, we get each other. So during the installation process, you're gonna get these options. Anyone who uses this computer or only for me. I'm gonna select only for me because girl, I'm single. And if you're single too, you better pick only for me. Who is anyone? Who else gonna use that computer apart from you? Yes, I see you, Shakisha, Jerry, Becky with the good hair. Becky with the good hair. So once anything LLM finished installing on my computer, it launched by itself. If yours doesn't, just go back to your desktop and open it as you would open a normal app, and it will run. The next thing that you'll see is get started. Just click get started. Then on the options, you're going to search for Ollama because we're using Ollama. There are very many different options, but search for Ollama. And make sure the model that is selected is 7B and don't change anything else. Click on that arrow to go to the next page. Then next again. Then you'll come to this window. You don't have to fill any of this. Just skip survey. And for your workspace, you can name it anything. I'm going to name mine Lore. And there we go. So we're going to test to see if this works. Again, we're going to type hello. And it's thinking and thinking. And it shows the thought process, which is represented by the little blue brain icon, which is pretty cool. And underneath the thought process, it's where it responds to you. And then you're going to test it again by typing something random like, can you generate images? And it is responding. Ooh, that's so first. And guys, if you can't handle the dark theme and you like it vanilla, you can always go to settings, then customize, then go to themes and select lights. Sprinkle, sprinkle. You always have options.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
But if you like it dark,
my coffee black in my bed is green. You're too sweet for me.
And yours is light, then baby, I've solved your problems. Guys, all this time my Wi-Fi was on, so we're gonna turn off my Wi-Fi to see if it will run without the internet. And would you look at that? It works even without the internet. So that's all I have for you today, you guys. Till next time, stay unbuggable. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, bye, my unbuggables. Honestly, that sounded way better in my head. I apologize for the cringe. It's all my fault. But on a serious note, subscribe and thank you for subscribing. Stay unbuggable for real this time. Bye.